Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing this video to you all, and I got a lot of questions about my mini twists, and who's responsible for these beautiful twists is no other than Design Essentials from their Almond and Avocado line. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. As you can see, my hair has some buildup, so we're gonna start with the Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Whenever protective styling, you always want to start off with clean hair. And after we're cleansed, we're going to go ahead and move to the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. So my hair tends to dry up fairly quickly. It's like right in the middle, my hair is soaking wet, and everywhere else it is dry. So I ended up misting a little bit of water into my hair just so I can really work the product in. And after I did that, as you guys can see, the product did very well into moisturizing and detangling my hair. So I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes, rinse it out, and then move on to the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. I love that this conditioner did very well in softening my hair and also helping your girl with frizz. Now the big question is, girl, what styler did you use? And I used the Honey Curlforming Custard with honey and chamomile, now with almond and avocado. Now here is where we get really precise with it. This will be a little time consuming depending on how small or big you want the twist. So my tip, I'm sure everybody knows about this, is I use the Honey and Shea Edge Tamer on my roots for each twist to make sure that, you know, they were really laid down and looked very neat. Now I forgot to mention that the Honey and Shea Edge Tamer also has almond and avocado in it as well. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys how precise I do my twist in the front perimeter of my hair to make sure that they are laid down. And to make sure that your hair is nice and coily, make sure you just kind of keep twisting it, and also at the root as well, and to the ends of your hair. And this is the end result of your twist. It kind of looks like, I think they call it passion twist. It kind of looks like that, but with your own hair. Going back into the custard, I'm just going to apply this root to tip. And I love this custard so much because it really softened my hair. And the end result, my hair did not feel crunchy nor sticky whatsoever. And then going back into the edge tamer, I'm just going to apply that to the root. And here is the tip that I was telling you guys about that really helps to lay the root down a little bit more. So the section that I'm twisting, what I do is I split it into two. I'm not too particular of what direction that I'm twisting it. I kind of just more so just twist where my hair naturally likes to curl up. And then I do the same exact thing to the other side. Bring them together and then do a two-strand twist. So if necessary, you can add a little bit more product and then just twist it midway. And then you're just going to twist it around to kind of get that root all neat, and then just coil the ends. Now to ensure that these twists stay in place and to lay down the roots a little bit more, I'm going to add my favorite double pronged clips. So to cut the time down in completing these twists, I'm going to only be precise with it in the front because that's where I want it to be the neatest. And so I'm going to continue that same technique of how I twist my hair, only in the front. I also want you guys to be mindful of the upkeep of your hair. You want to make sure that your hair continues to stay moisturized, that you're kind of fiddling with the roots a little bit, just kind of untwisting and twisting it back, because you don't want your hair to lock up if that's not your end goal. If you don't want locked up hair, make sure you keep the roots and everything moisturized, because product buildup, when your hair is dry and you have that product buildup at the root, it can get tacky, really sticky, and then really help to lock your hair up if that is, like I said, not what you're trying to do. But then again, this is also if you decide to keep the style in for quite some time. Now the back is where it gets easy. As I mentioned, I'm only really technical with it in the front. And the back, I'm just doing regular two-strand twists, but the only part that really just kind of was time consuming is to part your own hair into those small little neat boxes. And again, I'm just going to add the custard and then the edge tamer to the root and just two-strand twist. And it's up to you. As you guys can see, I have the double prong clips all throughout my hair. You can add it as you go, or you can add it toward the ends. It doesn't matter. I just started adding more so in spots where my hair is seen the most. Now you can sit under a hooded dryer, or you can let them sit overnight. As y'all can see, these roots are laid down and these twists are looking mighty juicy. Now for scalp care, I'm going to use the Design Essentials Moisturizing Oil Treatment, Lavender and Marula Oil. So it's time to get fun with your twists. You can wear them down, or you can pin it up into like a cute updo. I'm just going to take an elastic band and put some of the hair into a ponytail and create this cute little updo and leave some of the hair out. And if the back of your twists are not long enough, just go ahead and take some bobby pins and just kind of pin it up into the ponytail. So now my hair is nourished and protective during this protective style, and my scalp is taken care of using the entire Almond and Avocado collection by Design Essentials. Be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. And until next time, queens, I hope you get the same results or even better.